Hello! So, since I've been doing the glow-in-the-dark paintings, people have been asking me some questions about the actual paint I've been using. So this is what I've got. First of all, we've got lit. Then we have the yellow lit. Then the pink lit. Blue lit. And then the super base. You need this so that it'll bond to your paper or your canvas, whatever you're using. So to mix it up, all you need to do is use half super base, half lit powder. So this is a paint powder, the pigment's in the powder. So let's get moving. Get a tub or something to mix it in. Get your super base. Squirt it in. There you go. And then pick your colour. I'm going to go for pink. Just a powder paint, and then I'm going to just pop it in there, maybe a little bit more. You basically get to mix it to the consistency that you want it to be. If you want it a little bit more runny, add a little bit more super base. If you want it a bit more thick, add a bit more powder. But it is quite a powdery paint when you're painting with it, so just be aware. Okay, I'll mix it up now. I'll just get a brush and mix. That's all done, so let's see how it paints. I don't normally use a tub that's this big, to be honest, just I had nothing else to mix it in. So get some on your brush. As I say, because it is a powdery paint, you get quite a lot of powder stuck in your bristles, so you have to clean your brush often when you're painting with it. Move these out of the way. And I will do a blob here. Stick there, just to see if it has any sort of difference to if it's quite thinly put onto your paper. This is just a canvas sheet. So there is your pink. So that's your thinner layer, and there's your thick. I've put it on really thick just to see if it glows any brighter if it's thick compared to if it's thin. Right, now clean your brush. Blue lit next. So I've already put some super base inside this cup. Let's pop some in and get mixing. So there we go. Now let's get mixing. So this is your blue lit that I'm mixing up now, and as you can see, it doesn't look blue when it's in liquid form. It only looks blue once you've shone the light on it. I think I've still got a bit of pink on my brush there. Oh no, it's okay. Right, so on paper it just looks like a offish white colour. So that's the hard part about painting with this one, because you've no idea what it's going to look like when it's glowing. You've just got to keep on stopping, letting it dry, and then shining a bright light on it and seeing what it looks like, and then changing it a little bit as and where you need to. So again, I've got a thick bit at the top and I've painted it on quite thin underneath here. Let's try another one. Clear my brush. For yellow lit now, let's see what this one looks like. And get your paint. Again, I've already had my super base poured into my cup, so I just need to scoop some yellow powder in and mix. Right. So again, we'll do thick at the top, thin at the bottom. Let's just move that out of the way. There's your yellow. It's going on really luminous. Just for the record, I've never used the red or the pink before, so I've no idea what these are like. It's my first time using them. I've only ever used the blue and the original. There you go. Just lob it on there, make sure it's nice and thick. There we go. The last one now is the original lit. So, again, already got the super base inside the cup. And let's pop some powder in. So I've only used this once, and I only used a little bit. There we go, powder's in. Let's get mixing. So this shines like a green colour, this one. And the same as the blue one, it's quite clear when it's in paint form. It's like an offish white colour. So you've no idea how it's going to look when it's on the canvas. Oh, I've left some powder on the paper there. Right, so quite thin on the bottom and a little bit on the top. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let it dry, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. I'll show you without a charge and with a charge, because normally to get a decent glow off it you'd have to charge it with a bright light, because I find that in normal light it just doesn't have the same glow as what it does when it's been charged. So I'll let that dry and I'll come back to you in a sec. Hi, so welcome back. So here is our paint that have dried, and I'm going to turn the lights off and show you what they're like without a charge. There you go, just give me one sec. They're not too bad. Right, turn the lights back on. Now I'm going to charge it with a bright light. I'll charge it for 10 seconds and see how bright they are then. By the way, if you've got any suggestions for me, then just pop them in the comments and we'll see where we go from there. So that has now been charged for 10 seconds. So let's see how bright it shines now. Oh, that's a lot brighter. Nice. So if you like them, then just let me know. If there's anything you want me to do any different, again, just let me know. Bye.